Today's quote of the day: yay, yay, yay. And I interpret this as saying yes. How can you start to say yes to you? Now, this is going to be particularly difficult if you're a yes person. If you're a yes person, you say yes to everybody else and ultimately no to you. And when you start to change, people will have a massive problem with that, especially the people who depend on you to service their needs. They're going to kick off. So let's think about starting nice and small. This video makes sense to you if it speaks to your pain. Give your girl Key a like. What is one small action that you can take to say yes to you? What can you do? Inbox me, let me know. We don't want big epic change because it's too colossal and people kick off too much. We want small, consistent change where we grow. I hope this video is of benefit to you. Remember, do take care of you, because if you don't, who will?